Welcome to the Mac User Group channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract images from a video from the Mac command line. You will need FFmpeg installed on your Mac. If you don't have FFmpeg installed using Homebrew, just look at my description and then you will see a link to a video that shows how to install FFmpeg on your computer. However, if you don't have Homebrew installed, I also have a video that shows how to install Homebrew on your computer. And once you have FFmpeg installed via Homebrew, you're ready to go from the command line. So I assume that you have a video that you want to extract the images from. That video in my example is input.mp4. Now to run the FFmpeg command from the command line, you have to run the FFmpeg command from the command line using -ss and specify the exact time in hour, minute, second format in the video that you want to take a snapshot of. So first option is to specify the time using -ss, then providing the input file name with -i, and then telling FFmpeg that you only want to take one frame. So you say -frames:\v 1, so video frame 1, and then the output file name in whatever format you want. In this case, in my case, I want output.jpg. So that will extract a single image from that scene. I always recommend that whenever you automate FFmpeg in your shell scripts, use the -hide banner and -log level panic to reduce the verbosity so that your shell log or your script log is not cluttered with FFmpeg information. Now I'm going to show you how to do the image extraction, a JPEG image from a video that I have. So first thing I'm going to do is open up my terminal, and I already have a video, the input.mp4. I'm going to open it just to show you that it's a video, and it's a video by Vic Berry, one of my favorite YouTuber for camera equipment. He talks about some of the equipment that I have, so I follow him. So this is the video, and I'm specifically interested in taking a shot from the 1.55 timestamp, which is right here. Let's say this is the shot I want to take. So let's do that. So I'm going to type in FFmpeg SS000155, which is the exact location I want to go to. Then -input, input file name. Then I'm going to say frames:\v 1 frame, and output file name is output.jpg. And it's done. ls-l, open the output file, and you can see that shot that I was looking for. So this is great. This is an image. So just to confirm this is an image, I'm going to say file output, and you can see it's a JPEG image of certain size. Now you can control the quality of the image. This is the best quality by default. You can get a WordSur quality by specifying Q-scale option, but I don't see why you want to do that. So just something to know, but I don't see any reason. Now let's take another shot. So this time I'm going to go for another shot, a specific location. I'll go to 2:39, and I'm just going to call it Vic Berry. I think that's his name, and it's done. Open Vic Berry. You can see that I took a shot of the YouTuber. Vic Berry is a great YouTuber. I'll include his channel information in my description just so that you can see some of his videos. I recommend it. So now that's all there is. If you want to extract a single image, you can extract the image in JPEG or other format. For example, I could have done this in PNG, and that's it. There's a PNG file. Now if I say file.star.png, you can see it's a PNG image. Open BigBerry PNG, same image in PNG format. So it's up to you, whichever format you need. Typically JPEG and PNG are the ones that you need. So that's all there is. If you find this channel useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.